Now we are going to solve ICSE 10th standard board question of chapter matrices. So this particular question appeared in 2017. So given matrix B is equal to 1183. So find the matrix X if X is equal to B square minus 4B. Hence solve for A and B given X of A B is equal to 550. So now first step we have to find B square minus 4B. So B is given, so we have to multiply with B and B, will be getting B square, and then 4 into B. So we will be getting this particular term. Then after subtracting this, we will equate with X. So from the value of X, it is easy for us to find the value of A and B, because X of A comma B is equal to 550. So if you found this value X, then it is easy to find A and B. So for that case, first we'll do B square, right? So B square is nothing but 1183 multiplied with 1183. So is equal to first row, first column. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 8 into 1, 8. Similarly, 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. Next, 8 into 1, 8 plus 3 into 8, 24. So it will be 8 plus 24. Then here 1 into 8, 8 plus 3 into 3, 9. So here 9, 4, 1 plus 8, 9, 4, 8 plus 24, 32, then 8 plus 9, 17. So B square, we found out the value of B square. Then 4B. So that is minus 4B. So minus 4 of 1183. So is equal to minus 4, minus 4, minus 32, minus 12. So now B square minus 4B, right? That is what we have to find out. So 9, 4, 32, 17. See, here we have minus, 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 minus. So then we can take the minus term outside and then we'll write it as plus. So 4, 4, 32, and then 12. So for subtraction, it will be easy. So 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Right? 32 minus 32, 0. 17 minus 12, 5. Okay. So this is nothing but my X. So X is equal to 5005. Again, X of AB is equal to 550. This is given in the numerical. X of AB is equal to 550. So now we have the value of X. Okay. So X value is 5005 of AB. is equal to 550, right? So now if we multiply this one, then this matrix with this matrix, we will be getting 5a 5b is equal to 5 and then 50. So we can equate here straight away. 5a is equal to 5, then a is equal to 1. 5b is equal to 50, b is equal to 50 by 5 will be 10. Okay. So we found the value of a and b.